mùa xuân về.
The moment Eric is waits for, Lizzie, lucky money. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the biggest show in Vietnam.
This is Tet Nguyen Dan, or simply Tet.
Many of you might say, oh, I know it. Is this Chinese New Year?
Technically, we're sharing the same lunar calendar, but the soul of Tet is purely Vietnamese. Let us explain.
The word Tet actually comes from Tiet, which means weather segment.
Thousands of the years ago, our ancestors were the rice farmer. Of course, they don't have any weather app. They had to divide the year to 24 segments to know when to plant seed.
And Tet is simply the most important segment, the start of a new farming cycle.
So you see, Tet originated from the rice field, not just imported culture.
Some people say Vietnam only celebrated Tet after 1,000 years of northern domination, but that is wrong.
Remember the legend of Bánh, Chưng? It dates back to the Hùng King era, long before any foreign rule.
It proves that Vietnamese people have been celebrating this new year by our own way for thousands of years.
So what is the Tet for us today? It's not just only holiday.
It's a homecoming.
No matter how far you, rich or poor, you must back home with your family.
And there is a beautiful concept called the truth of life.
We stop working, we stop worrying, we stop fighting.
Even the enemies forgive each other. We hit the reset button for the soul to start fresh. Ladies and gentlemen, look at her. Look at this elegant tunic.
This is áo dài, the traditional costume of Vietnam.
Fashion expert call this masterpiece because of famous paradox. It covers everything but hides nothing.
From neck to toe, covered. That's modesty.
But the bodies hugs every single curve. That's sensuality.
It's perfect balance between Asian tradition and feminine beauty.
What makes it magical is a slight slit.
The tunic split at the waist. When I walk or ride a motorbike, the flap fly into the wind.
It creates the fluttering effect. It makes walking look like floating.
And unlike the Chinese cheongsam, we always show bare legs. We always wearing silk trousers underneath.
It's beautiful and practical. You can sit on the floor or jump on a bike, no problem. Look around. The street is a moving garden. Why does everyone wear áo dài on Tet?
Reason 1, respect. That is for visiting temples and ancestors. You need the highest form for formal wear.
Reason 2, color luck. We believe if you dress like a flower in ripe red or yellow, your life will bloom for the next 12 months.
Reason 3, the check-in ritual. Young people act modern, but we are proud of our roots. Renting áo dài to take a photo in our way of saying, I'm Vietnamese. And don't forget the gentlemen. For the long time, men turned to the Western suit.
But recently, men's áo dài is making a huge comeback.
Unlike the curved women version, the men's version is broad and majestic.
It represents the scholar spirit, dignity, knowledge, and pride. Next up, the moment Eric is waits for, Lizzie, lucky money.
Inside is money, but trust me, the value is not only about currency, it's about protection. Legend says, in the ancient time, there was a demon that appeared on New Year ever. It touched children's head and made them sick.
To save the kids, 8 fairies transformed into coins and wrapped themselves in the red clothes.
When the demon came, the coins flashed the blinding light and scared it away. Bam! The kid was saved.
So, giving Lizzie is literally giving a red show to wish for health and safety. We also call this mừng tuổi, which means celebrating new age.
This is a two-way street. Grandparents give to kids to wish for wisdom and growth.
And kids give back to grandparents to wish for longevity.
This is material care through emotional connection.
Now, 2 rules for you, tourists, if you want to give Lizzie.
Rule number 1, fresh money only.
We literally queue up at the bank for a week just to fight for brand new bills. Old money is a bad luck. Don't do it.
Rule number 2, the odd number.
Sometimes we prefer giving 50, 70 or 90,000. Not always round number.
Why? Because in our philosophy, odd number represent becoming and surplus. It means your luck is still growing.
Even numbers, sometimes it means the end, and we don't want luck to end. In Vietnam, nature dictates culture.
Because our country is long, the tree we use for Tet depends on the weather.
In the north of Hanoi, it's freezing and damp, so we need warmth. So we choose the big blossom, pink and red.
In the south, like Saigon, it's very hot and sunny, so they need something bright and noble. So that's why they choose the yellow ornage.
And finally, the tree everyone loves, the kumquat.
Why? First, wordplay. Kumquat sound like luck and gold.
Second, look closer. A perfect tree must have 4 elements. We call it tứ quý.
Green leaf, vitality, white flowers, the future. Green fruit, the young generation. Ripe orange fruit, the grandparents, wealth.
When the tree has all 4, it represents a happy family living in harmony under the one roof. Pro tip for buying trees: look for the ugly, rough skin on the trunks versus the soft petal.
Contrast is beauty. It shows the tree has survived many winters.
And after Tet, we don't throw them away. Farmers take them back to the garden to revive them for next year.
It's like circle of rebirth, just like us.
Kính chúc một nhà gặp nhiều an vui. Xuân ơi xuân đã về.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold the king of Tet food, Bánh, Chưng.
It's not just a cake, it's a time capsule from 4,000 years ago, the legend of the Prince Lang Liu.
The 6th Home King wanted to choose an heir. He held a contest. Whoever bring me the most meaningful dish to honor the ancestor will be the king. While the other princes offer expensive seafood to the king, the poorest prince used simple farm ingredients, rice, bean and pork.
He made it square to represent the earth. The king loved it because it showed respect for the land. Lang Liu became king and Bánh Chưng became a legend.
Dưới mái hiên nhà. Tết là Tết là Tết.
Look at the layers. Green leaves mean forest. Outside, white rice, agriculture inside. Yellow bean, gold, and red pork, animal kingdoms in the center.
One bite and you taste the harmony of entire ecosystem.
Fun fact, how do we cut this sticky cake without a knife getting stuck? We use bamboo string or lap themselves.
Essence, zero waste, technology, brilliant.
Tết là Tết là Tết. Tết vừa đến đây dưới mái hiên nhà. Tết là Tết là Tết.
But if you go to the south, the square disappear. Meet bánh tết, the cylinder cake.
Why the shapes? 2 theories. 1, it mimics the lingua from the ancient Sampa culture, wishing for fertility.
2, it was a military ration. King Quang Trung soldiers need food that could hang on their bodies during long marches.
And why it is called Tet? Meaning 1, it sounds like Tet. Meaning 2, it means to slice or to split in the southern dialect.
Tết là Tết là Tết.
Also, bánh tét is colorful like southern people. They have banana filling or 5-color rice. It's a party inside a leaf.
Quây quần bên nhau. Cho bé cho thơ cùng khoe áo mới. Cho những người lớn lì xì trẻ con. Tất cả mọi người hân hoan chúc nhau một năm an lành yên tư.
Now, dessert. In the West, you have cookies. Here, we have meat or the candied fruit.
It's a social lubricant. When the guests come, we need something to chew to keep the conversation flowing.
Tết là Tết là Tết. Cho nghĩa xa về đây xuống.
Candied ginger, spicy and warm for health.
Con trong bà quây quần bên nhau.
Lotus seed, wisdom and good sleep.
Coconut is reunion.
And the most important one, the pumpkin seed.
Listen to the sound everywhere. Crack, crack, crack.
It's the joyful noise of a happy house. The louder, the better. But honestly, the best part of the Tet is not eating the cake, it's making it.
Boiling this cake takes 12 hours. Imagine the cold night of the 29th.
The whole family sitting around a big fire. Grandma telling stories. Kids roasting sweet potatoes.
That smell of wood fire and sticky rice is the smell of Tet.
Đến rồi Tết đến trong những ngày mai. Mừng ngày Tết trên khắp quê tôi, màn hoa thơm khoe sắc.
In the West, you ask, what is your sign? Leo, Gemini, Scorpio, based on the star. But here, we ask, what is your animal? We follow the lunar zodiac, a 12-year cycle. Each year is ruled by one spirit animal. And welcome to 2026, the years of the horse. So, what is the vibe of the horse? Freedom, speed, success. Horses hate being tied down. So babies born in 2026 will be energetic, independent, and love traveling. We have a famous idiom, mã đáo thành công. Translations, when the horse arrives, success follows. In ancient wars, generals rode horses back home. If the horse returned, it means victories. So 2026 is the year of action, not laziness. You simply say Happy New Year, but in Vietnam, wishing is an art form.
We believe words act like seed. If you plant good seed on the first day, you will harvest the good crop of luck for next 12 months.
So, visiting a house during a Tet is not just saying hello. It's a transaction for positive energy.
Here is the big 4 wishes you will hear everywhere. Memorize them.
Phrase number 1, An Khang Thịnh Vượng, the most standard and formal one.
Break it down. An is peace, Khang is health, and Thịnh Vượng is growth.
Notice the order: safety first, health second, wealth last. That is the Vietnamese hierarchy of happiness.
Chung vui bên gia đình.
Phrase number 2, the most powerful one. Vạn sự như ý.
It means may 10,000 things go according to the will.
From love, career to lottery ticket is covered everything.
Phrase number 3, sống lâu trăm tuổi. Use this only for elderly people.
Never wish them money. Wishing money implies they still have to work hard. Instead, wish them longevity to 100 years.
In Vietnam, old age is a blessing, not a burden.
And the phrase number 4, the fun one. Tiền vào như nước.
Translations: may money flows in like waters. Why waters? Vietnam is a country with red rice civilization, and rice needs waters.
Water is abundant and unstoppable, and the light follow-up is tiền ra nhỏ giọt. Money drip out like a drop.
Earn like a river, spend like a dripping tap. Now the protocol: wishing is not random. Rule 1, look down. The younger person must wish first. Rule 2, the pose: hold your arms, bow slightly, look them in eyes. Only after the wish starts, the elders hand over the bread envelope. So basically, the wish is the password to unlock the money.
And final tip to survive death without offending anyone.
No negativities. Never mention words like that, sick or lost.
Forget the past. Don't start with last year was so bad. Only talk about the future.
And don't say no bluntly if offer food or beer. Accepting is polite. And it's our video for Vietnamese Tet. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year. Chúc mừng năm mới!